Uh, So one of the most common questions that I get is, what is your specialty when it comes to your Sicily tours? And so even though my company can do anything, and I really do mean anything, from weddings to engagements to birthdays to high-end shopping sprees, helicopter rides, history, culture, you name it, nature, I would have to say that my specialty are my foodie excursions. And that is because, well, I'm a foodie. So it only makes sense. So if you're a true Italian foodie and you want to experience the most extraordinary flavors of your life, and if you love wine, then I highly, highly, highly recommend that you contact us. And I'm talking about not just the Michelin-star restaurants, and I'm talking about some pretty amazing restaurants with extraordinary chefs that are creating, a mixture of the traditional with like the new cuisine that's coming out in Sicily that is absolutely mouthwatering. But I'm also talking about the smaller ma and pa trattorias and even special private chef events that only you have access to even hanging out with my family and having my cousins cook a delicious, authentic meal for you that's completely homemade as it gets, just for you. And then the wineries. Now it's really hard to choose the best wineries in Sicily. Look it up. Sicilian wines are amazing and they're very different because we have Sicilian wineries throughout the island. And, one side of the island, the wine tastes completely different from the other side. I mean, just to give you an idea, in the Mount Etna region, we have the volcano. So obviously the soil, the volcanic soil, the wine is going to be very different from the other side of the island. And so we have these amazing wineries that have that give these extraordinary wine tasting experiences. I'm always like a little kid in a candy store when I create an itinerary for my clients, especially when they're foodies and they want to experience the best wines, the best meals, and make sure to eat the traditional food. I get so excited. Um, Especially since all over Sicily, the flavors are also different. So I love for my clients to go all around the island and to experience all these amazing pastas, meats, seafood, fresh, fresh, fresh seafood, the pastries, the desserts. Mamma mia, you have no idea. And then the cooking classes with some amazing chefs who are giving these beautiful, beautiful custom tailored experiences to my clients. It's truly like I don't know if you can tell, but I love what I do. I absolutely love what I do. And I love creating these itineraries, getting on the phone with the client, seeing exactly what it is that they want, and then creating that for them. Now, if you add, which so many people add, the spiritual aspect and they want personal private coaching with me, then you have the ultimate package here in Sicily, where you have private coaching with me, where we do these beautiful transformational exercises, meditations, massages. If you want to add yoga, it's very custom tailored to everybody's needs, what it is that they want to work on. And then, you have these foodie experiences and these, true, authentic experiences that only locals know about. It is truly something that I know for sure isn't like anything out there that I pride myself in creating. I want to make the most magical experience for all of my clients, whether it's foodie, wine, history, coaching, spirituality, transformation, purpose, life purpose, whatever it is, I'm here to create that for you. So, what are you waiting for? Contact us and we will create the most magical experience for you. All right. I can't wait. See you in Sicily. Ciao.